Hey everybody, lots of people who own Can Am Rykers ask the question, can I drive it onto a set of car ramps so that I can do my oil changes and other maintenance? Here's a video that shows you just how to drive it up onto the ramps by being as careful as you can. Since it was so easy to put up on the ramps that I was going to go ahead and film it. Keep your foot on the brake, not all the way on the brake of course, the thing's got to move, but feather that brake, keep it on, and be really careful inch by inch going up the ramp. So we're going to give this a try on camera, so hope I don't mess up. I'm being very careful, watching this right wheel to make sure that I get it up on the ramp and hit that stop up there. And now I'm going to shut it down and I'm going to put it in park. And now it won't move and go anywhere. But then I'm going to get off of it and I'm going to stop on the rear wheel so in case it were to move, it's not going anywhere. So putting it in park is real important. So now I'm going to go ahead and lock it into park. And I'm going to pull the key, and that's that. It's up on the ramp and now I can get busy and work. It's real important to pull the key and put it in park, because if I go in the house and I want to get a cup of coffee or anything else like that while it's sitting up here in the ramp, you know, somebody that's curious walking through the neighborhood could just start screwing with it and then it's off the ramp.